Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got one of these Chromebooks here. It's one of the kids's, and we're gonna see if we can't replace the screen in it. They have seemed to have broken it. Let's make sure it's still broken. Yes, still very broken. So all right, well, nothing to it but to do it, guys. Let's go ahead and get started with a number 0 Phillips here and get these 6 screws out of the bottom of it. Get these out here real quick. Oh, looks like we're missing one. Always seem to be missing a screw on the bottom. They just fall out. You would think well, they do put Loctite on there. Oh, we got multicolor Loctite. We got red, we got blue. Somebody's definitely been inside this before. More blue. I mean, I think the deductible for the school insurance is like 50 bucks. I got a screen here off of Amazon. If I can think of it, I'll put the listing up here somewhere. And in fact, we got it right here. Here's our screen. Got a nice little thank you letter from the seller. That's nice. Good luck. Alright, let's see here what we got. Oh wow, this thing is packed in here pretty good. Alright, well, we'll leave that in there for right now. Let's finish getting this apart here. Alright, flip it over here. You gotta get in here and get this battery disconnected. Is it just the inner that pops out? Yep, it's just this intersection. Let's get that work. Fucking hell. Cheap ass shit. Ah, this one don't break. If we can get it in there, come on. There we go. Slide this bitch around, come on. Damn it. This one here is all fucked up too. Once we get it started here, we're alright. It's just getting it started. There we go. Come on. There we go. There we go. Come on. Keep coming. Come on. I wonder if maybe now we can get this in there. Come on. Don't break it. Maybe start up here. Well, they make it look so much fucking easier in the videos, don't they? There we go. Come on. But I know I ain't doing something right. Come on. There we go. There we go. Come on. There we go. Come on. Come on. We got a couple more. Come on. There we go. We're still not quite there. Come on. I thought it was just 6 screws. Come on. Come on, pop up. Pop up. There we go. Come on. Keep yelling at me, guys. I know I'm doing this all wrong. This is why I'm an idiot. Go ahead and tell me down there. What am I doing wrong here, guys? Oh. Yeah, there's no more screws in it. Oh, I think we re-clipped in over here. Come on. Come on, come on. It's like we got one more clip up here. It just does not wanna. Come on. These fucking tools are junk. Maybe that's my problem. I need to get better tools because all these keep fucking breaking. Son of a bitch. Here's something maybe. Let's see, maybe we need to pop that off of there. That's fucking broke too, goddamn. This turned into a right fucking nightmare quick. Come on. Come on. There we go. Get you out of the fucking way. Shit. Alright. The fuck, I'm just dropping all kinds of shit off here. Let's just lose everything in the floor. Oh, there we go. Alright, now we got like one more here. Come on. Let's go. Come on, you can do it. Let's not fuck up these cables in here. There we go. Fucking finally. Come on. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, this one here is the battery. Get that unhooked. Now maybe we won't blow nothing up. Honestly, we don't really need to unhook anything else here. We just need to pop the bezel off of the screen now here. Fuck. Maybe this one here will be a little easier, guys. Come on. Let's speak too soon and fuck it up. Come on. Easy. Easy. Come on. Get around that corner. Boy, it's getting warm in here. What are we up to? 86. Don't break it. Don't break it. There we go. Come on. Come on. There we go. Let's go. Alright, now we gotta get this other side up here. Come on. Come on, don't break. Don't break. There we go. Come on. We got a little bit of some kind of adhesive here. There we go. Yeah, there's some kind of thin double-sided tape on there. I need to get some of that. Alright, let's see here. Screw, 4 screws. Let's try taking these 4 out. Get these out of here. Make sure we put them off there so we can lose them. We're gonna lose at least one of our bottom screws, guaranteed. Guaranteed. Alright, let's see, what does that do? Oh yeah, right there like that. Just that easy, guys. And it looks like, yep, we just plug in back here. Tweezers. Yeah, these ones are all fucked up. Surely they'll work. Fuck tweezers. We don't need no goddamn tweezers. Peel this off of here. Good. Alright, looks like, alright, let's see here. How is this? Is that just latched down over there? How does this work? Oh, yep, there we go. Alright, there we go. There's our busted screen out. Alright, let's get our new screen here out of the package, hopefully without breaking it. One of these days we'll get this bench cleaned up. It just not gonna be today. Not today. Alright, let's see here. Oh, very nice, very nice. Alright. Let's lay our bag down so we don't scuff our screen up here. See if we can't get this plugged back in. I'm hoping you guys can see. I just got this GoPro up here strapped to my head. I have no idea what you guys can see. So hopefully it is coming out amazing. Alright, see if we can pop that latch back down. Very nice, very nice. Alright. Peel our tape back up here. There we go. There you go. Let's maybe. I don't know. We'll find out. So far it seems to be working. And we'll just flip this over here. Get her all lined up. That out of the way. Just a little drink. Good old ice water, nothing beats it. There's one. A two. A three. 3 licks to the center of a Tootsie Pop. Oh, look at that sexy peel. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. And our last screw here. Now we are going to 100% completely put this back together so it's guaranteed not to work and we have to take it all back apart again. Sound good? Great. Pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. Come on, pop, pop, pop. There we go. Get her up here across the top. Pop, pop, pop. Make sure we got all our pops in. Alright. Looks great. Let's put our cover here back on. There we go. Alright. I'll lift this up. And reconnect our battery. And moment of truth. Do we get a display? Yes, we have a display. Yay, display. And we'll pop this all back in. Come on, pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. Pop, 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 pop. Alright. We're all poppered in. I'm wondering if I think I got this end upside down. Something don't seem quite right with that. Although those holes do match up with it, so maybe, I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, that's fine. Alright. Now I believe we had like a longer one down here. No, they all look the same length. Alright. One will just skip the same one that was missing. Get all these put back in, and I believe we are done, guys. Holy shit. Got it apart. Got the screen out. The screen, I believe, was like $20 or $25 off of Amazon with shipping. And yeah, if this idiot can fix it with these fucking bullshit ass tools, why are you paying somebody hundreds of dollars to do something that you can do yourself? Look at this. Ha! No more broken screen. No more broken screen. Alright guys, that's the end of this one. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell your friends. Let's see if we can't get this channel growing. Alright guys, love ya. We out.